Hello, in this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of downloading Rufus, a tool commonly used to create bootable USB device. Follow these steps to get started. Navigate to the official Rufus website. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system. Rufus is compatible with Windows. Choose the flash drive that you want. Then click the arrow button and select download. Click the download and this thing will pop up. Select the version that you use. After clicking it, click continue and continue. Choose your desired language. Select x64 in architecture. That's all in how to download Rufus on a bootable flash drive.